Hello guys, this is Anurag and in this video we are going to describe how to use our Zextra white label product EverZippy. So we'll start with logging into the product. Just log in with the ID and password. So this is the first page which you will get after login to your EverZippy. So on left hand side, if you can see here the options to access your webinars, your recordings, you can access your sales, and you can add multiple languages as per your requirement. And on top right corner here is a profile tab where you can change the settings of your profile also. And this option will help you to access all the webinars which you have already created. In case you have not created any webinar yet, so we'll start creating a new one for you. Just create our first webinar from here. We'll start with providing a title to our webinar. So I'm just giving it a title called introduction. Here we are gonna add our description about webinar. So we'll just put some quick text. So you have options to change the style and format of your text as per your wish. Next option you will get webinar time zone. Here you can select the time zone for your webinar as per your country, and also you have access to upload a logo for your webinar. You can add tags for your webinar from here and start uploading a video for your webinar. Just click on browse video, open a video mp4 file, select mp4 file and click on open. It will be added to your webinar. Once it is done, click on next. Sorry, I just have to click on open. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to upload the file. Once it is done, just click on next step. Here you can choose the type of webinar, whether it's recurring, multiple types, live, like, or on demand only. Select the webinar type from here. Let's start with recurring. How often you want to play this webinar? So I'm gonna select every day. You can set the time from here. Let's try with 5 p.m. Select the date. So I would like to start it from 30th of October. And at last you just and select the days for how many days you wanna add this. You wanna run this webinar. Here I'm gonna set it for 1 week. Click on save now and your details will be saved. That's it. Now your webinar is ready. Now you can set the email funnel. You can set the webinar registration page and branding also. So we'll start with email funnel. In email funnel, you can set the content as per your wish. For instant confirmation for registration, but if you want to add your own custom text here, you can just click on write your own email and start typing. Once your registrant will register himself for the webinar, he will automatically receive updates on the specific timing, like 24 hours before webinar, 12 hours before webinar, and you can enable and disable it from here, just as easy as that. Next page is webinar registrants. On registrants page, if you want to add a specific field for users, you can add like I'll just try to add a field called contact info, and I'll choose it as optional. or required, I'll start choose the option and click on add fields, and the details will be added. You can add a video to your registration page. You can start with the app integration, thank you page, and these all kind of informations are available here. You can add your social media links also. Next page is for webinar branding. Here you can upload a logo for your webinar. Whatever the logo and branding you will select, it you can select. You can customize it from here and select where you want to enable the branding. Whether user will receive it on their emails or on webinar room. Next is webinar tracking. In this page, you'll get option to add thank you page and webinar room page. At last, we are having a webinar registrant. So whoever registered to your webinar, the list will be created. You can upload a list of registrants if you want, or you can add a specific registrant by just entering his details. Like I'm just entering any name called. So the details will be uploaded here. If you want to download the list of registrants for your other app integrations, you can click on download CSV. It will download all the details of your registrants. So once your once your webinar is ready, you can click on join room. If it's a live webinar, you just click on join room and you will enter the presenter room. Otherwise, your webinar is saved. You can go back to your webinar page. Here you can access your all the webinars. Whatever webinar you have created, it is a small tab here called all webinars. It will reflect here. You can select any kind of webinar you want. So now I'm gonna show you how it will look like for registrants. So I'll just copy the registrant link. See the time zone. It will show the remaining time as per the local time of the computer. If this computer is in Australia, it will show the local time as per their time zone. So I'll just try to register test email. Anurag, Anurag where done. Once the registrant register, he'll receive a email as well as on next page he will get a link to join the webinar. Once he click the link, he will be able to access the webinar. And you can check the registrant settings here on the registrants page. Whoever has registered to your webinar will be available here. So I just entered my email address. Let's see whether it is uploaded or not. Yeah, see. So it is available here.